Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to this new live streaming from Pocket Option.
Hello, ladies and gents.
Today, we will continue again and again explaining the super powerful trading strategy, which I call the Magic Four. It's based on a new type of trading. You won't see this anywhere else. There's a stock trader that uses this strategy. He's a very well known guy. I won't mention his name. He has to pay for it. However, his strategy can be applied to forex, to crypto, to binary options trading and stocks, anything that has a chart. If you are watching us on replay, before we dive into the whiteboard explaining the strategy and going back to trading live, please do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to use the comments box below. And if you are watching me live, if you have any questions, any comments, use the live chat box. Of course, please keep the questions within the topic of this live. All right? So let's hop right into the whiteboard so we can explain the strategy. I call the strategy the Magic Four, which includes the market states, obviously. All right? So what we need to start by identifying and explaining are the three market states. Any market, forex, crypto, stocks, anything, commodities, gold, anything, any market, anything that you are trading that has a chart moves in only three states. It has only three directions to go. It's either going to go sideways in a narrow state or in a trending mode to the upside to a wide state or in a trending mode to the downside in a wide state. So let me show you how this works. First, when you see a market like that moving in a narrow state, let me adjust those. Okay, this is your narrow state. The market is moving over here sideways. Some people call it consolidation, ranging market, sideways situation. We call it narrow state. Why? Because the price is in a very tight movement. Touches here, goes back up, touches the zone, goes back up. So these, you can consider these as support and supply and demand, excuse me, support and resistance levels. All right. Now, in addition to those those indicators, if you want to call them, we should add two moving averages to help us identify those narrow states. The first one is the 200 moving average, simple moving average, SMA, and the second moving average is the 20 moving average. Usually it's going to be over here. So you have the 200 SMA and the 20 SMA. Cool? So when you see the price moving in a narrow state and the 20 and the 200 SMA are very close together, this is your narrow state. All right? Now, let's see how the market can move from this point onwards. From this point, the market has only two choices, either to go up to a wide state to the upside or go down to a wide state to the downside. And from this point, the market has only two choices to make. Actually, one choice. It has to go down back to a narrow state. And from here down below, it has to go back to a narrow state. Now your moving average, your 20 period moving average, will be moving along the way in these directions as well. So when you have a white state to the upside, you will see your 20 moving average pushing upwards, right? Doing this and coming back down to the narrow state over here, somewhere over here. Okay? And from the downside, your 20 moving average will also do this. It goes down from here, your 20 SMA, to the white state and comes back to your narrow state. Perfect. So we have our three states of the market. There's no other options, guys. The market can do only those three things, which are, again, you have your narrow state over here, goes up and goes back down to another narrow state. And from this point, the price will be, bouncing in a ranging consolidation, sideways, call it whatever you want. And from this narrow state, the market has only two options, either to push up to a wide state or push down to a narrow state. Nothing else. So you have one, two, three states. One, two, three market states. Nothing else. And why is that? Let me explain to you why is that. Because when you see anything on a chart going up, it's impossible for it to keep going up until eternity. It will reach a point where it will go back down again. So here you have your white state and it comes back to the narrow state. All right. So now let me explain us as traders, how do we identify which way the market is going for us to position ourselves to take trades either to the upside or to the downside. For binary options, you should take whenever you have those events, we call them events. Whenever you have one of the three events I'm going to explain, you either take a 4 to 6 minutes buy position or 4 to 6 minutes sell position to the downside. So, what are these events? For buy events, you need to look for a strong green bullish bar. It might have a small wick from the top or from the bottom, no problem. The important thing to see is a big body. The body of the candle should be big. It should be surging off of the narrow state above your 220 SMA, above your narrow state over here, and closing above. We are using 2 minutes chart, okay? 2 minutes candles, 2 minute chart. Excuse my handwriting. I know it's shitty. Okay, from this point, whenever you see a surge, boom, you enter over here. The last 30 to 15 seconds, you take your trade to the upside. That's your first event. Your second event is what we call a bottoming tail bar with a small body at the top. Okay, this is your second event. When you see a sizable, big bottoming tail bar pushing to the upside violently, you enter over here for your buy position. These has to happen, let me remind you, these has to happen in their best position. Position in Forex and trading, guys, just like in real estate, they say location, location, location. So these has to happen in a narrow state position, out of a narrow state position, either to the upside or to the downside. So here again, you have your entry for a buy. Now, option two, third event, is when you see a red bottoming tail bar, the small body at the top. This is also an event for you to take a buy over here. Now, a pro tip, let's say you come to the charts, you find your magic four, your 20, 200, price in a narrow state, swing high, swing low, and you see that you already have this thing over here has formed to the upside. If you see a second one forming like this, regardless of the color, red or green, when those two happen back to back, these are extremely powerful buy signals. Usually, those two, when they happen back to back, they have a 92% follow through rate to the upside. This this bullish bar, engulfing bar, has around 80 to 82% follow through rate to the upside. You might ask, all right, so why? Why does those candles have such powerful and high potential to to move the market? The reason is very simple. We have to understand who is moving the market. Is it the retail traders? Is it us? Of course not. The people who are moving the market are institutions, banks, central banks, hedge funds, investment banks, governments, big corporations. So when you see a powerful bar surging from a narrow state, be sure that this is an institutional move. So the big guys, the guys who are moving the market, are telling you, we are buying right now. We want to buy. So you work with them. You help them buying along with them. All right? You don't act against them. Some people think they can come into the market and trade. All right? Just like that, clicking the buy and sell button. That's bullshit. The market will eat you alive and spit you as if you are nothing. Okay? Let that sink in. Think about it. You have to see footprints of those big players and follow along with those guys. Unless you do that and you understand that, you will not make money in the markets. Guys, the numbers are against you. 90 to 95% of traders liquidate their balances, their capitals within 1 to 3 days. Is it in binary options and forex and stocks? Anything. Why? Because people do not know how to read the institutional moves on the charts. Okay, now let's explain the three events to the downside, right? Your first event is a powerful bearish bar, big bar. It has to be big. If it has small wicks from the top or the bottom, it's okay. The important thing is to have a big body. That's a 2 minute bar, right? So you wait for the last 30 to 15 seconds and boom, you take your 4 to 6 minutes trade sell position for binary options. The second event is a strong topping tail bar with a small body at the bottom, going off of the narrow state. Okay, I'll show you, don't worry. Your third event is a strong, sizable bottoming tail bar, green color. It doesn't matter. You come over here, you take your sell position 4 to 6 minutes. Okay? Now, how does these look on a chart? All right, now that we established this market states, we established how are we going to use our moving averages. Let me show you how do you enter, how do you see this happening actually on the chart. Let me erase all this. Okay, so you have your narrow state. Okay, this is your narrow state. The price is moving over here. You have your 20 and 200 moving average. Let me draw those as well. This is your 200 moving average. It should be somewhere over here. And you have your 20. This is the 200. Now you have your 20 moving average. So you have your magic 4. You are in a narrow state. All right. You have your rectangle over here. Now what do you need to look for? Today we learned 3 events. Usually when the price is moving below the moving averages, you should be looking for a sell position. How do we identify our entry points? You need to look for 3 events. The first event is a powerful bearish engulfing bar moving over here and closing below your swing low. 2 minutes. Whenever you see this happening, this bar should be bigger than anything you see to your left side. Look for the last 10 to 15 bars to your left side. This thing over here should be bigger than those. You enter your trade here, last 30 to 15 seconds, 4 to 6 minutes to the downside. That's your first event. Second event is a topping tail bar. It should look something like this. No, not orange. All right, no problem. It should look something like this. Power big bar with a tail, long tail, and a small body. Boom, this is your entry point, right? 4 to 6 minutes to the downside. To give you examples on how to do this to the upside, you should see a powerful bearish engulfing bar, sizable bar, closing above your magic 4. You enter over here. Or you should see a bottom wick, very long wick with a small body. You enter over here. 4 to 6 minutes. For forex traders, you entered here. Your stop loss is down below the bar, and you wait for a move to the upside. All right, simple. It's simple, yes. However, it's not easy if you do not understand it, if you do not practice and train yourself to have something we call unconscious competence. You should be able to spot those situations and those trades mechanically. Just like you are driving the car, you don't think, okay, now I will move my gear from neutral to drive, and then I will steer to the left side. You do those things automatically. Unconscious competence. This is what you have to do. This is how your trading plan should be. You have one, two, three, four, five. When those 5 things happen, you enter the trade. And that's it. You do not think. Because whenever you are thinking about something, that means you are not sure. If you are not sure, don't take the trade. Okay? Of course, you'll have losing trades because this is something we can't control. But once you have a plan, your win rate will increase, your consistency will increase, and you will make money. So let's move to the charts. Let me close this. Let's move to the charts. The first thing you need to set up is your 220 moving average. Very easy. You go to your indicators tab, you click twice on moving. Oops, let me move to the tournament. Only for VIP traders. That's nice. $2,000. Come on. So let's join the free event. Okay, let's set up our chart and indicators. The only thing you need to do, choose normal Japanese candles, go to your indicators tab, click on moving average twice, go to your first moving average, set the period to 200 SMA, go to styles, I like pink, 2 pixels, save. Your second moving average 20 SMA, styles, I like to make it blue, 2 pixels, and save. Expiry time, we need 4 minutes, 4 or 6, depending on the situation. We'll see right now. So you need 4 minutes over here. And your trade amount should be 1 to 3% of your capital. In this case, I'm playing the tournament, so it's all right. I'll do 10. And after that, just add as much as you can of high payout pairs. By the way, we just ended our VIP trading session with the VIPs on my Telegram channel. We took 3 trades. We won 3 out of 300% win rate for this morning, which is amazing. Love it. Okay, let me see in commodities if we have something. I'll put gold as well. Gold OTC. So now let's look for a narrow state. Let's backtest a little bit and see narrow and wide states. How do we see them on the chart itself? What do I have? I need my pen. Hold on. Epic. And here we go. Our pen is here. Now, how do you define a narrow state? This is a beautiful narrow state. The price is moving sideways. It has clear swing high and swing low situations. And your 220 moving average are oops, let me remove this. Enable auto scroll, enable timer. And here you have your 20 and 200 moving average very close together. This is your narrow state. This is a wide state. You see the 20 moving average moved far away in distance from the 200 wide state. And see that back to narrow state over here. So you draw your swing high and swing low. You have your magic 4 in place. You wait for a strong bullish bar to get out of the zone. It has to be bigger than anything else you see on the chart. In this case, anything else you see in your last 10 to 15 candles. All right. So in this case, this is your entry point over here. 4 to 6 minutes for binary options. In this case, you have lost. But look at this if you are a forex trader. This is your stop loss. This is your entry point. Look at this beautiful move to the downside. For binary options, you can wait for a color change to happen after this, since the bars are relatively a bit small. Wait for a color change. What is a color change? You wait for a color change to happen near or at the 20 moving average. This is your color change. Red took out green. 4 to 6 minutes, you have your winning trade. Let me look for something easier. Look at this beautiful trade here. You have your narrow state, swing high, swing low, down there, and you have this surging 2 minute bar. Boom, 6 minutes. You have your winning trade. Forex trader, stop loss, entry point, cash machine to the upside. Okay, let me look for something else also to clearly show. Come on, look at this beautiful setup over here, man. These are your magic four: swing high, swing low, your moving averages. You wait for a powerful green bar to surge above the zone and close. Boom, that's your entry point. 4 to 6 minutes trades, you have your winning trade. Forex trader, be my guest. This is your stop loss, your entry point is here. And look at this cash machine. Listen to the sound of the cash machine. I'm trying to imitate the cash machine, I'm working on it. To the upside. I mean, come on, guys, that's a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. Look at this, right? That's your take profit. That's a 1 to 2.5 or 3 risk reward, roughly. Okay, so now that we learned the strategy, we know the market states, we know our magic four, we backtested on the charts, we saw how we should identify the narrow state, we saw the events that give us the signal to go for a buy or a sell. Let's go ahead and take some live trades. So let me see if we have something beautiful happening. If you have any questions, please use the live chat box. I'm always ready to answer any questions you might have. And also, please give us a like. It will help the algorithm push our videos and push our channel to a wider audience. See this narrow state? Fantastic, guys. Boom, that's your entry point. 4 to 6 minutes. That's a win. Let me look for something else. Guys, look at this beautiful. Come on, man. You have your magic four, right? And you have your powerful bear surging bar. Boom, you enter over here. 4 to 6 minutes, you have a winning trade. And look at this drop to the downside. Forex trader. I mean, come on, that's a 1 to 4 or 5 risk reward ratio. Let me look for something happening right now so we can take a couple of trades together. Look at that, guys. Come on. I mean, it's these are your magic four, and you have your surging, powerful, extremely powerful bullish bar. Boom over here, 4 to 6 minutes. You have your win. See, this is forming. The distance between the 200 and the 20 is still very relatively far away. I don't. This is a risky setup. I prefer to wait to see the 20 moving average, which is this baby over here. I need the 20 to come closer and go on to move to a flattish situation. Okay, so this isn't your ideal situation. You always have to look for the highest probability setup. Okay, Look at this, guys. I mean, it baffles me why people lose money in trading. These are your magic four: swing high, swing low, and a narrow state, price, and moving averages. Now, this has surge below, however, it's not that powerful. We need a very powerful surging bearish bar, bigger than anything else we see in this area. So this is your entry. Boom, over here. Look at this. 4 6 minutes trades, you have a win. Forex trader, cash machine to the downside. Let me do this. Come on. I'm not cherry picking, guys. This is something that happened like an hour ago, and it's still going to the downside. This is like live, uncut, unedited trading. I need something to take a trade, for God's sakes. Look at this beautiful setup over here. Now, the 20 is a little bit far away, a little bit far away. However, I will mark my zone, bring your rectangle, swing high, swing low, and now we look for a surge to the downside or to the upside. I don't care. But whenever I see the price below the 20 and the 200, I prefer to go to a down, to a sell position. So let me make those thick. Look at this beautiful setup forming over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Might do this. I'll set an alarm over here. If I see a very violent bar, I can take it. And one over here to take to the upside. Okay, so we have a setup in place. You set your alarms and you go looking for something else. This strategy requires a lot of patience and discipline. If you don't have patience and discipline, you will lose money. Mark my words. So here again, we have a narrow state. That's beautiful. Let's mark this situation. Swing high, swing low. The 20 and 200 close together. Put an alarm over here, an alarm over here. Let me change this to make it a little bit more visually appealing. Okay, you set your alarm set, you go find something else. I mean, look at this, guys. Come on. This is your magic four. Swing high, swing low, your 20 and 200 moving average, and you have a powerful bullish bar surging that is bigger than any bar you see in this rectangle. Boom, you enter over here, 4 to 6 minutes. That's your win. Forex trader, stop loss over here, entry over here, and look at this cash machine to the upside. Beautiful. Okay, let me see if I can add more pairs. WI crude oil, silver. Let me see here. Euro NZD, USD INR, LBP USD. That's my home country currency. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful trade. Come on, guys. swing high, swing low. You take the most common rejection point. You have your surging bearish bar. Boom, you enter. No, not there. Here. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes to the downside. Oh, we have a signal. Come on. Oh, I'm using the 1 minute chart. Hold on, guys. I forgot to set my 2 minutes chart over here. Let me. Okay, now we have a different situation. Anyways, this strategy works on all time frames: 2 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily chart, 1 minute chart. However, I prefer not to use the 1 minute chart, it's too noisy. The 2 minutes is the perfect for that kind of a scalping situation. See this? Silver OTC. Swing high, swing low, your magic four, boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes, you have your winning trade. This is actually nice. I'll take this one. I need a strong close or a momentum to the downside. Come on, give me a beautiful close. I'll take it. It's a bit risky. I'll take it anyways. Let's see something else. Let me remove this because it isn't valid anymore. Also, I need to refresh. Don't know why it's taking time to load. This is nice. 29. Okay. Okay. All right, we're back. Um, Let me find something else here. I need an ideal situation. Nope. That's amazing. Magic 4. Rectangle. Your 200 swing high and swing low. 2 pixels. I need to see, what I need to see is a clean bearish bar over here. Boom, you enter. Or to the upside. However, since the price is moving below the 200 moving average, the price is moving over here. So the major trend is to the downside. I prefer to take a sell. In addition, we have lots of topping wicks. These are additional tips, all right, guys? See that? Lots of pressure from the sellers. So I prefer to take a sell. Let me set an alarm over here. And here. This is forming. However, the 20 is a bit too far. I need to wait for the 20 to come here and, become flattish. Look at this. The point of this life is not to show you my, trading skills. It's to teach you. So you have your magic 4. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes. Winning trade. I need something that's beautiful. Come on. Let me bring that rectangle. Swing high. Swing low. Alarm here and here. Come on. Very strong. Very strong. Sellers are here. If it keeps on pushing like that, I'll take it. Most common rejection point. I'll take this one for 6 minutes. Sometimes when it's that violent, you expect a little bit of a retracement after it. I'll take it here. That's fantastic. Strong sellers. However, we might have a reversal to the upside. Let's mark our zone. 10 to 15 candles. And your 20. That's beautiful. All right. If I see anything closing below this level, I'll take a sell. And here we'll see what we do. Okay, this one is playing fine. This retracement is normal after such a powerful. It's a small retracement. However, still have 5 minutes left, so it has room to breathe. So not many setups forming. Look at this. Fantastic. You have your swing low, swing high, magic 4. Your 20 and 200 are here. You have a surging power bearish bar. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes, winning trade. Okay, don't give me that crap. Amazing. That's becoming nice. Oh, we have a signal. Beautiful bar. Sell. 6 minutes. Come on, I need four. No problem. 4 or 6. It's okay. See this power surge off of your magic four, your narrow state, your 20 and 200. You have your magic four, and then a powerful surging bearish bar. Boom! You enter over here. This thing is bigger than anything else you see over here. That's an institutional move. Market maker clearly telling you, I'm going for a sell, guys. So you go along with the big guns, with the big guys. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes. I wanted to take four on this one. However, no problem. 4 to 6. It's okay. This is BS. Complete BS. That's beautiful. Demand zone here. Supply over here. Strong push. Let me see. With time and experience, you can draw the rectangle visually. You don't need to actually place it. So I see what's going on here. I have my narrow state. This was a beautiful trade to take over here, 4 minutes. However, I'm waiting for a surge. Okay, we have something. Nope, I won't take this one. It's still very far away. Let me set an alarm over here. This is what why is this a losing trade? I took this on purpose. Even though you have your power bar, however, it didn't break your swing low. It's still in your narrow state area. So this was a risky trade because one of the rules of our strategy was broken. However, it might win. It might still be a win. But this one is moving smoothly. Why? We didn't miss any indicator. Let me see. Beautiful. Come on, keep on pushing. I need a strong close over here. So this is why your trading should be mechanical. Even if it didn't break, don't take the trade. It has to break your magic four zones. Let's watch this one unfolding. Come on, we're gonna win this one. 6 minutes. See, this is where I would take the trade. If it keeps on, if it closes outside, we'll take it. NZD USD, it's breaking. Not enough. Okay, this was a win. We won the trade. Another alarm. Why is this losing? Okay, we still have 2 more minutes on this one. No problem. Come on, we need something here. Beautiful push. That's the momentum. Keep going, baby. Keep going. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Nope. I need push over here. Do not compromise on your rules. Stick to the rules. Your trading should be mechanical, automatic. You do not think. You see one, two, three, four happening, boom, you take the trade. Whenever you are thinking, that means something is wrong with your setup or with your trading strategy. It should be mechanical. This is still a valid setup if you get a breakthrough below. This is winning over here as well. 23 seconds left. We have our first winning. We won. We have one win, one loss till now. And this is your win over here. And that's a beautiful win. Okay, so now we have two setups close to giving us signals. The CHF Japanese and the New Zealand USD. You know, I might take this to the upside as well. However, I prefer to take a sell on this. I'll take a sell. Won't take a buy. Here we can move this a little bit over here. Most common rejection point. Unless I see a break above this, no trades, no buy trades. Unless I see a break below this area, no sell trades. So till now we have two winning trades, one losing. Beautiful. We made 8% ROI, return on investment, which is great. So let's see what's gonna happen here. If I see a strong surge, I'll take 6 minutes on it. Let me see. Beautiful. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing and close below. 30 seconds left. So this is where you should decide on entering. I need to see momentum, a little bit of momentum. No rejection. I'll take it. See this powerful surge? 6 minutes on this one. However, it's rejecting. We don't take the trade. Let me see here. That was a trap. I should have waited more. No issues. Okay, now if I see this candle taken out, I'll take sell. This is what I call a bullish 180, bearish 180. This is a very strong bullish bar. If it gets taken out, annihilated by a red bar, strong indication, especially that's happening at or near the 200. Now, a further close below the 20 would be an additional plus. This is a different thing. Come on. I might take a buy for 6 minutes on this one if it closes strongly here. because it's taking out the swing high. Beautiful. I'll wait. Might reject from the 200. I need a close above the 200. Very nice. Powerful momentum. I'll take 6 minutes here. Okay, 6 minutes as well. Two entries. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Whenever you click the buy and sell button, your job is over. You just have to watch or find another setup or go do something else. Light cigarette. That's a bearish one, bear 180 happening over here. If I see a close here, I take three trades on this one. Since we are trading the tournament, so I don't care about taking additional risks since this is not real money account. Beautiful. Come on. It's gonna annihilate that buyer over here. Can easily move level here. Fantastic. Come on. Oop, it's rejecting. Let's see if the buyers are gonna kick in again. Let me check on this one. Beautiful trade. Three more, 3 minutes and a half left. I took two positions here. Very nice close. This is a supply area, demand area. AUD CAD, OTC, let's see. Beautiful setup. 6 minutes. I'll go for it. A bit early, no problem, but I'll go for it. Huge momentum over here. Come on, OTC. Come on, OTC. You can't do that. We might win this one anyway. Still have 2 minutes and a half left. The buyers are clearly stronger. Let me see that AUD CAD thing. See that? Unbelievable. I took it a little bit early. However, if it breaks out again, I'll take two more. Let me set an alarm over here. Nice, nice push. Keep on going, baby. That's it. See what's happening over here? If this candle closes above, okay, it didn't. However, the buyers are strong. This wasn't enough to make a push to the downside. The buyers are strong. And this gap, I like it. It's going to reject at some point and push upwards. We still have 1 minute and a half. This is beautiful. Okay. Let me see the AUD CAD thing. I still have 4 minutes, which is great. If it breaches this level over here, I'll take two more on it. Why I take 1 to 3 trades per entry? Ideally, you should trade 1 to 3% of your balance. So your first entry is 1%. If you believe that your setup is still valid, however, you are losing the first one, if you see your setup or your pair giving you a second entry point, you take two trades to cover the loss and be also in profit. Come on here. That's a trade potential here. If I see a break above, if I see a break above those, see you have your narrow state. If I see a break above here, I'll take a trade. And these are two trades in the bag. Let me check on the AUD CAD. Come on. It's a shame. Where's the 4 out of 7? We are still in a winning situation. The NZD thing, this one. I need a close, strong close above this level. Here, strong close above here. I'll take two more, two trades to the upside. Alarm is here. Okay. Excuse me. The buyers are clearly stronger. Look at AUD CAD. We have a signal to the downside. Nope, to the upside. I prefer not to take it. NZD USD. Beautiful. That's happening. I'll take it for 6 minutes. I need a close. I need a close. See, it's rejecting. You don't do anything. Stick to your rules. You have to see a close above. We need this seller over here to be annihilated. That's it. That's it. 15 seconds left. I'll take two on this. Beautiful. That's it. That's my baby. Come on. Love it. Let me see the AUD CAD thing. All right. No problem. Fantastic push. Come on. The market is a story. Let me tell you the story that took place over here. Now, a buyer entered over here, strong, very strong, bullish engulfing bar, and then a seller entered and said, "Okay, no, we're not gonna let you buy that much." The seller here, this guy, couldn't annihilate that buyer because the price closed below the opening of this one. And then another buyer kicked in and pushed all the way up. It didn't annihilate the seller. However, the next candle, sellers kicked in again. And here the buyers said, no, you're not going to go further down. We'll push the price up. And then this buyer kicked in, pushed all the way up. And this guy here, annihilated the seller over here. So the market told you the buyers are in control. I took the trade the last 16 seconds here to the upside, 6 minutes. Now keep in mind OTC can be a little bit riskier than trading live market pairs and stocks and that those pairs. You have to be careful on OTC. Playing nicely. See, this was beautiful actually. I didn't want to take it. Took your trade here, 2 to 6 minutes. That's a win. Okay, we'll take a buy on this one. Buyers are in control. I need to break. I need something to break and close above this level. We'll take a 4 minute. Lots of momentum from the buyers. The supply area is far away, so we are safe. Let's see. Beautiful. Nice. Amazing. Come on. 53 seconds left. I need. Come on. Beautiful. Nice. I take 6 minutes. It might retrace after such a strong bullish bar. It might retrace a little bit. Second candle and we pushed. Come on. I'll take it. Very powerful. Very powerful. Beautiful. Yes. This is going fantastically fine. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Love this gap. You see this gap over here? The opening price. Let me make this thin and zoom in so you can see it clearly. See, the opening of the next candle here was lower than this one. This indicates that this bar, no matter how far it can go to the downside, at some point it will reject and push back up. Lovely. These are most probably guaranteed. Let me see this one. See, I told you, I took it 6 minutes on purpose on this one because such a long, powerful Marubozu, this is called a Marubozu bullish bar. Usually, you will see a little bit of a retracement after it for the price to shoot back up again. However, in this case as well, you see the gap. You have to know how to read things, guys. You see the gap here? The opening price was lower than the closing price of the previous candle. So this baby here will reject at some point or will not push down further below too much. It will reject at some point and push back up, or the candle after will give us our buyer's momentum. 8 seconds on these two. Beautiful. We're gonna win here. It was a low payout pair, but regardless, I'm doing these live streamings to teach you guys. Let's see here. Okay. See if we have something else. Come on, look at this. Boom, you enter over here. Actually, I would have entered here. 6 minutes, 4 minutes, you have a winning trade. Narrow state, swing high, swing low, surge below it, boom, you enter 4 to 6 winning trade. That's beautiful. All right, let me mark this. Swing high, swing low of your last 10 to 12, 2 minute bars. I need a break and strong close above the top. I'll take a buy on this one. Okay, this is coming off of a strong demand area. Let's see our, see, told you. Little bit of a retracement. Come on, keep pushing. I need a strong close here to get some momentum to the upside. Come on. No problem. It has a gap down. It should push up. Or it will reject from this area and push back up. Nice. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Have a supply area here which might make us problems. However, it's a bit far away. Beautiful. It's breaking. You see? So 1 minute 17 seconds left. You keep your cool. Keep cool. Let's wait. Powerful surge. Bearish bar. Bullish bar. We need a close above. We need the last 30 to 50 seconds to be moving over here. See, it's rejecting, so we don't do anything. We just wait. We'll take it 4 on this one. What's going on here? That's a shame. That's a shame. It's impossible, you know. That's the the thing about OTC. You have to be extremely careful. I mean, after such a strong surge, there's no way this could happen. However, if we took it, however, the price will eventually push to the upside. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, I'll do this. I'll take sell over here or a buy from the top. I'll do some testing on binary options to see if we can take higher expiry times, more than 4 to 6 minutes. I'm testing it. However, what I like about this situation, see, this is a very strong seller's momentum, followed by a bearish engulfing bar. We can easily take a sell trade here. I need a strong close. I'll take 2 on this one. Keep on moving. 50 seconds left. I'll take it for 6. That's nice. That's it. Beautiful. It has a, sellers are very strong here. However, it broke. It already broke, so I still can enter three more trades here. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. We wrap up the session. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.